comply with the law relating to procurement, and this involved Daniel Wainaina, that on 19th November at Nakuru County, being a chief officer in the public health, you willfully failed to comply with the law related to procurement. That is Section 135, subsection 3 of the Public Procurement and Asset and Disposal Act 2015 by failing to ensure that contracts were signed after the lapse of 14 days of notification of award in tender awarded to Denken Building and Construction Company to supply and deliver patient monitor at Rift Valley Provincial General Hospital. Daniel, is it true or not true? Number 11. This also involved you, Daniel. Willful failure to comply with the law related 2022 at Nakuru County, Republic of Kenya, being a chief officer in the public and asset disposal by failing to ensure that contracts were signed after the lapse of 14 days of notification of award of tender awarded to them which was for proposed renovation of work at Langalang Center, Flamingo Ward. Is it true or not true, Wainaina?
Not true.
Count 12 also involves you. June 2025, being directors of medical services in the county government of Nakuru within the Republic of Kenya, you were awarded a tender by the county government of Nakuru. Is it true or not true?
Not true.
Count 13 in Mungai, engaging in corrupt practice in a procurement proceeding, that on diverse date, chief officer for environment, energy and climate change and natural resources in the county government of Nakuru in Republic of Kenya, is a director of Denken Building and Construction Company. Kennedy, is it true or not true? Count 14. This involved Kiogora Mureithi. 6 July 2025, being an employee in the Nakuru County government, which is within the Republic of Kenya, you engage in corrupt practice, a director of Murichaba Investment Limited and Denken Building Construction Limited Company that had entered into contract with the county government of Nakuru, being a director of Denken Building and Construction Company that had entered into a contract with the county government of Nakuru. Count numbers between 25th January 2024 and 16th May 2025, being a city manager in the county government of Nakuru, you engage in fraudulent practice in procurement process from Ken Mureithi, who is a director of Denken Building and Construction Limited Company that had entered into contract with the county government of Nakuru by improperly Count number 17. This involves Solomon Sirma engaging in corrupt practice that you engaged in fraudulent practice in procurement process by unlawfully receiving a sum of shilling 187,000 from Ken Mureithi, who was a director of Murichaba Investment Limited, improperly influencing the procurement process. Solomon, is it true or not true?
Not true.
Count number 18. And that this involves Ken Mureithi and in the year 2020 and 2025 at Nakuru County within the Republic of Kenya, being a director of health, you willfully failed to comply with the law relating to procurement in Naivasha sub-county. Is it true or not true?
Not true.
As you have heard, a number of them are public servants. They are not a flight risk. Some of them actually presented themselves to the police before the arrest yesterday and during the investigations. They have colleague, Mr. Kenneth Kimathi, part of the defense team. As I've said, we will be a many, but some I think they thought the plea will be taken later, but we appeared for them. No, but he's here. Kimathi,
I'm present, Your Honor.
No, I'm saying,
Yes.
are there some of them here?
No.
No.
For the 10th, 11th, and 12th, since the second and third will be a vote which will be given for them. It will already be appearing. We pray that you don't give a separate vote out for the 11th, 12th, 12th, 11th, and 11th, because if they are killed, the companies will be caught. In the event of conviction, that is when they will be fined separately. But for now, the natural person, let them be given the vote. The natural person will appear on behalf of the juristic person.
It's a very big day today. It's a Friday.
Let's see if you don't lie.
Come and do a pre-trial conference where we come and set the issues and all manner of things and confirm that witness statements are all made and any preliminary applications when they can be dealt with. And I'm proposing that you come on 12th of August. If it's okay. Oh, you've been there in your conference, including all of you. Yes. So what do? We can give you, and I'll be away. So can we give you 2nd of September? Is that okay? For pre-trial conference, 2nd of September. Having considered the charges, bond for A1, A2, and A3, that is Lona, Karamuta, Mobichi, Kenneth Murithi Ndubi, and Brian Mwenda. Bond is set at Kenya shillings 1 million plus one short in like amount, or cash bail Kenya shillings 500,000 plus 2 contact persons. In addition, they shall deposit their passports in court and shall be required to report to the EACC Regional Office, Nakuru, once every fortnight, beginning 14th of August 2026 until ordered otherwise. A4, Daniel Wainaina Ndungu. A5, Kennedy Mungai Baraza. A6, Timothy Kiogora Murithi. A7, Josephat Kimemia. A8, Peter Gitau Thabanja. And A9, Solomon Sirma. Bond is set at cash shillings 500,000 plus one surety in like amount, or cash bail Kenya shillings 200,000 and one contact person each. For the record, there will be no requirement for them to report. A10, A11, and A12 free bond, since the directors are here. Witness statements, documents to be used in evidence, and charge sheet be supplied to the defense. Matter is set for pretrial conference on 2nd of September 2026 here in court number 1. We prefer counsels that you come physically. And second,
Because once they pay the cash, if they can be exported, they are home for the purpose of getting the passport. You understand the sensitivity of some of the documents and nobody will assess something. And to be honest, also for the record, I'm informed that that accused does not have a passport. So it's a corner you cannot comprise.
very well, he doesn't have.
We pray that you find that he doesn't have.
Huh?
He doesn't have. He has never had any intention of traveling out of the country. And you know the passport is
You don't know.
various documents.
Yes, you may never know. In the interim, he may get an idea and then
He
acquire
can
it.
deposit, yes.
Then he deposits.
He can deposit
When he acquires one in the course of this.
the trial.
Yes.
Yes. But for now,
So the
that accused doesn't have a passport. And for the record, you may have seen by
just hold
joined
on,
us.
just hold on, collect.
Kepoi Silva has joined us. So
Just hold on, hold on. Sorry? Yeah? It's in order. Very well. Don't travel out of the country without my permission. That's all. Right. We are okay. We are done now.
No, no, perhaps just a request.
Yes, because.
Let's observe a minute of silence in honor of our departed colleague, Mr. Kabushia, who been by a short while. That's where some of us are looking.
I'm also heading there. Okay, we can.
Maybe all observe a minute of silence in honor of Geoffrey Kabushia, John Kabushia, Letejo.
This is the seventh accused person you can many as a family being processed.
Hawataenda mahali hata mziki Kira muda aku nya. Kamu popo.
Yeah.